Step 1, copy and complete the type of values if equations y equals 3x plus 2.
Very good. 3x plus 2, guys. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be replacing the same thing we did last week. Remember? But now my equation is going to be 3x plus 2. What happens when I replace my x and I replace it for a negative 4? Y is going to be equal to 3 times negative 4 plus 2, right? And guys, 3 times negative 4 is going to be negative 12. And negative 12 plus 2 is going to be equal to? Is going to be equal to?
Negative 10.
Negative 10. Porque debo 12 y tengo 2. I owe 12 and I have 2, right? So the answer is going to be negative 10. That's the negative 10 you have over here, right? And the same thing happens when instead of replacing for a negative 4, you replace it for a negative 2, right? I'm going to replace here my x for a negative 2. So y is going to be equal to? Guys? Guys? Y is going to be equal to what?
Negative
4.
Negative 4.
Negative 4?
Yes.
Yes.
Because 3 times negative 2 is negative 6 plus 2, negative 4. Good job, guys. Negative 4 over here. Now, what happens when you replace it for 0? The answer
It will
is
be equal to
2.
5.
2. 2.
It's 2.
Why 2? Because y is equal to 3 times 0 plus 2. Y is going to be equal to 2, right? Remember that we said when y was equal to mx plus b and m was 0, y was equal to b, remember?
Yes.
Now, what happens if I replace in this exercise, and instead of having a negative 2, I am going to be having a 2. 3 times 2?
8.
3 times 2, 6 plus 2, 8. Very good. Then, what happens if instead of having that 2, I am going to be having a 4?
14.
3 times 4?
12.
12 plus 2, 14. Very good, Mr.
14.
Montoya. So guys, over here, I can see I'm going to have my X and my Y's. And remember that in the first activities you had to do of Khan Academy, you were going to graph. Well, it says, plot each order pair, X, Y, from the table in a coordinate plane like the one shown. So negative 4, negative 10. Negative 2, negative 4. Right?
Mm-hmm.
And then 0, 2, and then 2, 8, and finally 4, 14, right? Yes?
Okay.
So
Yes.
I am going to look for negative 4x and negative 10y. So I'm going to graph this point over here, right? Can you see it?
Yes.
I am going to use a different color that is more visually seen. Okay, no, that didn't work. Let's use a red. Right? Then negative 2, negative 4. Negative 2, negative 4. It's going to be here. Right? And then 0, 2, 0, 2, 0, 2y. So it's going to be here. Right? And then 2, 8. 2, 8. And finally 4, 14. And after that, what I do is I am going to connect those points with a line.
Teacher,
Yes.
it is delta 6, no?
Sorry?
It is delta y6.
Delta. Delta?
The triangle.
No. It's not a triangle.
No, the Khan Academy triangle that says that in each time it was increasing by
I don't know. Okay. I understand what you're saying. Yes. Let's go there, Mr. Rengifo. Now, guys, remember that the first point I had over here was -2, -4, -10, -4, -10. That point was going to be here, right? And I'm going to make it bigger. I don't know why it's not working today. It's going to be here, right? The next point is going to be -2, -4. The next point is going to be 0,2. Next point, 2,8. Next point, 4,14, right? Now, there is a magic word that is going to be very important here, and it's the word slope.
Slope.
Okay? And what is slope? Slope is rise divided by run. Okay? And rise is going up or going down, and run is going or to your left or to your right. Okay? Now, in this exercise, from this point to this point, I am going up. How many units am I going up, guys? 2,
6.
4, 6, right? So
Yeah.
rise 6 and run. Run from this point to this point. How many units?
2 units.
2 units. And now, guys, how much is 6 divided by 2?
3.
3. Can you see a 3 in this equation?
Yes.
Yes?
Slope.
The slope.
Oh, so that is going to be the slope, right?
Yes. Yes.
Do magi. Right? Now, guys, this activity looks really good in my computer, but I would like to see you making the same activity, but in your computers.
I cannot.
And how are we going to do that? How are we going to do that? Is everyone with me in this moment? Any questions, guys?
Nope.
No? No questions? Okay. So, ta-da!
I don't understand very well.
Can you please repeat that again? I couldn't listen. Guys, can you please repeat that question again?
I don't understand very good, like the
You didn't understand really good what part?
I don't understand very well the step 3 between.
Miss Herrera, I believe that's you, right?
Step 3 and 4.
No, Miss Herrera, I can't hear you really clear, so I would recommend you use the chat, please. Okay, Miss Herrera? Please ask me the question through the chat. Miss Herrera? Okay, well, if that was Miss Herrera, I am going to give you some seconds because honestly, I can't understand what you're asking. I don't understand very well step 3 and step 4. Step 3, connect the points. When you connect the points, that's what you did with the red line. Okay, you connected the points. Okay, what pattern do you see? Is this positive or is it negative relationship? Is it a positive or negative relationship?
Positive.
Positive because it's going up, right? Okay. Now, number 4, find more solutions of y equals 3x plus 2. Locate each solution in your coordinate plane. What do you notice? Ms. Herrera, that's exactly what we're going to be doing. That's exactly what we're going to be doing in the following step, okay? Okay? So, this is the following step. And the following step is called GeoGebra. Now, guys, there are 2 possibilities for the following activities and what GeoGebra is going to be useful for. You're going to go to Math Roads.
Yep.
Okay. Let me show you. Let me share the screen with you.
Yep.
Let me share.
That's too hard.
And,
Okay.
so you're going to go to Math Roads. Are you visiting now Math Roads, guys? Everyone in their computer, please visit Math Roads. The mathroads.jimdo.com. Okay, and in the first page, you're going to scroll your mouse down. Okay. There's a little information. This is a very good video. I would recommend you watch every day. No, you watch every day. No, you watch one time and then you start applying it every day. And then under that, you're going to find the logo for GeoGebra. If you click in that logo, it's going to take you to the geogebra.org website, okay? And in the geogebra.org website, you're going to go to GeoGebra Classic 6, okay? Now, if you can't download the app for any reason you have, but what you can do is you can work online, you can click in Start, okay? When you click it in Start, it's going to work online, but it's going to be a little bit more demanding. Some things are going to be more demanding, okay? Now, Ms. Herrera, your question was, how can I graph more points in the equation y is equal to 3x plus 2, right? The equation was y is equal to 3x plus 2. Yes? Now, over here, you're going to be able to see that I have the graph of the equation we were mentioning before. And Ms. Herrera, if you give more points, it means you're going to have a longer graph. Look. Because the graph is going to be a line. And the lines are infinite, remember? Look. The lines are infinite.
They're infinite. I'm experimenting with it.
Yes? Okay, guys. So you're going to be graphing y is equal to 3x plus 2. Okay? And after that, I want you to please share your screen. Okay? So we can see what you're doing. I am going to stop sharing my screen and we're going to be playing popcorn. Okay?
Teacher,
Are you ready?
I
Yes.
have a question.
Yes.
Teacher, is just that I entered to GeoGebra and I don't know because it put me in a thing to download a lot of things.
Okay.
And
Were you following the instructions I told you?
by Math Roads.
Yes. You go. Okay, let me share the screen again. Here. Okay, so you should be here. Give me a second. I am going to close and I'm going to show all the process again. I am in math road, right?
Yes.
Can you see the math roads?
Yes.
Okay, I am going to click in GeoGebra and it's going to take me to a website of GeoGebra. Can you see the website?
Yes.
Yes, now you can download the app here. And if you can, well, I recommend you download the app, okay? I am not going to download it because I already have, but the only thing I have to do is click on it. And I click on it, look what happens. It starts here in my bottom left part of my screen. I can see GeoGebra Windows X. 52 minutes are left, but because I already have it, I am not going to download it in my computer because I have it, okay? I am showing you how you can work if you click in start, okay? And when you click in start, it'll take you to a website called geogebra.org/classic, okay?
Okay, teacher. Thank you.
Okay, guys, in this type of activities, I need you to pay a lot of attention, okay? Now, the exercise we were graphing before was y is equal to 3x plus 2. So you type in y, sorry, but why here? Y is equal to 3x plus 2, okay? And I finish, okay? Now, I am going to be playing popcorn. And when I play popcorn, I'm going to be calling out some names. And I want you to please share your screen so you can show me what you have. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, so popcorn, Ana Sofía Caña. Miss Caña. Miss Caña. Okay. Popcorn, David Garcia.
Hi, teacher.
Hello, Mr. Garcia. Can you please share your screen showing us the graph that you have?
Okay. Here.
Okay, here you go. Okay,
This.
yeah, excellent. Okay,
Pero no comprendo cómo se usa esto, teacher.
okay. So, yes, erase. Click again. Erase. Very good. Now, entrada, click. And type Y equals. No, it's not working. Now, can you see that next to the 1, 2, 3, on top of the Y, there's an FX? Yes? Please click. And can you please maximize your screen?
How maximize?
Okay, now I can see it maximized. Can you please type in your keyboard the letter Y?
Here.
Yes. Type the letter Y in your keyboard. Nothing appears?
No.
Okay, move a little bit to your right. A little bit. And yes, and make that bigger. Thank you. Bigger. Thank you very much. Yeah, that's excellent. Now, backspace, erase, y is equal to 3x plus 2. You can type it in also with your keyboard. Y equals 3x plus 2.
Yeah.
No. Yes. Enter. Now go to the graph. Excellent, my friend. Minimize, minimize, minimize.
Ay,
There you go. Okay. Okay, Mr. Garcia?
yes,
Easy?
yes.
Okay. Now, guys, thank you, Mr. Garcia. You saw what we did with Mr. Garcia. What I want you to do, guys, is I want you to practice at home with your GeoGebra. I want you to please practice exercise 1, exercise 2, exercise 3, and exercise 4. Okay? It's the last minute of class. Please copy this so we can finish the class, and I'll see yourselves tomorrow. Okay, guys?
Okay,
Please
teacher.
copy these exercises in a piece of paper and grab these exercises in GeoGebra, okay?
Teacher,
Yes.
Thanks, teacher.
and we have to finish the exercise of Khan Academy.